Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield's mods not working. Okay, first things first, to make sure your mods function correctly in Starfield, you must place them in the correct folder. Mods might even require specific subfolders within the data folder to work as intended. Open then your Starfield game folder on your computer, usually found in the My Games folder within your Documents directory. Open then the data folder within the Starfield game directory and check if your mod files are in this folder. If not, move them there. Ensure that any mods with specific requirements are placed in the appropriate subfolders. If you are using a mod manager like Vortex, ensure that the mods are correctly installed and enabled through the manager. Game bugs and conflicts can often cause mod-related issues. If previous solutions haven't worked, it's essentially to check if there are any new updates for Starfield. If any update is available, make sure to install it. Updates can often resolve compatibility issues with mods. However, if none of the above methods work, it's time to reach out to the experts. Contact Starfield support for specific guidance and assistance. You can find their support website at help.starfield.net. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield mods not working. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.